Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually expand your map and see even more further in your Minecraft world. So for this tutorial I'm using the Minecraft 1.18 version. If you don't have this version, it's okay, it will still work for your versions. Unless if you have like a 1.6 and below version, it might be different, but the idea is still the same, just the settings are a little bit different. Please keep watching with me step by step to not lose the track, and so you don't have to watch the video over again to fix your problems. So first of all, let's get ahead and open options, and I will show you basically what the option that we are going to talk about in this video. We are going to talk about this render distance, which is the thing that will make our map looks bigger or smaller. Like, it depends on our game and PC. And please guys, don't make your render distance so high that your PC won't be able to render it and it will be crashed by the end of the time. So let's go ahead and click on, for example, new world, and from here let's make our chunks, for example, small, just like so. As you can see, I can't really see anything far, and it's really bad for me. It will work for like the weak PCs, but for like if you have like a strong PC, this will be really terrible for you, especially if you have like a huge beautiful world and you really want a nice view of this world, or like you got this nice view in your Minecraft world, like you have water and stuff like that, trees, stuff, and you really wanted to see everything. You just come here to options, video settings, and you can expand your chunks from here, and as you can see, you can see now everything away from you. Even from here I can see the next village. Even if I am on this village, I can see even the village that is more further. Let's see if I can see it completely. Yep, I can really see it. I just need to zoom in and to be able to see it. And again, please guys, don't make this option really high if you don't have really good PC. So yeah, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.